So hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can schedule the messages on Telegram so that it will be delivered to the person you want to send at the specific time you have been scheduled to. So all you have to do is to open the Telegram application and open the chat when which you want to share the message with a specific scheduled time, and type the message you want to share, or you can simply add some images or videos as well. Like if I typed hello over there, now I need to click tap and hold to the send button over there. After clicking on it, you can see an option of scheduled message. Just click on this option and schedule the time at which you want to message to be delivered. Like if I set it to the time I want and scheduled it, the message has been now scheduled to deliver at the specific time code. You can, or you can, if you want to share the message just right now, you can tap on the message and click on the send now button, or you can reschedule the message as well from here also. So that's a very quick and interesting tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.